Okay, this is my chance to ask her. Eve? Yes, Henri? Well, I was wondering if, we've been together for a long time. Yeah? So, I just want to ask you if you, will you marry me, Eve? Evangeline? Well, of course I will. I'll be Mrs. Salisbury. Stop, Henri. We'll have kids and everything. Looks like someone's getting married. Huh. How did you know that? Reading minds, dude. Reading minds. Everything is going to be perfect. I'll show you. I know everything's going to be perfect. I can look in the past and the future, Henri. Hello, have you forgotten my powers? Oh, Happy New Year's, Andrew. Your mom! We have the same moms and we're brothers, so you're talking about our mom. Pretty much, yeah. Perfect. Perfect suit, good pants, good shoes. Looking good. Well, good luck.